Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering a project with a ton of potential next bull run. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So the project I'm going to be covering today is MultiversX. The ticker is EGLD. In the previous bull run, this project was called Elrond, which is what many of you guys may know it as. According to CoinMarketCap, MultiversX is currently ranked 47th among all cryptocurrencies. It's trading at a price point of just under $36. It has a market cap of 921 million, a max supply of 31.4 million, and a circulating supply of 25.6 million. That's about 82% in circulation, which, to put things into perspective, Bitcoin is 21 million, which EGLD being only 10 million higher is still a very scarce crypto. EGLD reached its all-time high back in November of 2021 at $542. It's currently down 93% since then. MultiversX is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. The project describes itself as a technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contracts execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions per second, a 6-second latency, and a tenth of a penny transaction cost. And with the use of sharding, supposedly EGLD can handle up to 263,000 transactions per second. To put things into perspective, Ethereum right now is handling 30 transactions per second, and Solana is thought to be fast at 50,000 transactions per second. If you guys have watched any of my other MultiversX videos, you know I am extremely fond of the founder, Beniamin Mincu. I think he is a visionary, and I think he is great for the crypto space. Every time MultiversX has had a problem, he is the first person posting on Twitter, calming everyone down. I think he's a fantastic leader, and personally, I just wouldn't want to bet against him in the upcoming bull run. EGLD also runs on a variation of the traditional proof-of-stake operational protocol. Now, the way that most proof-of-stakes work, a validator's probability to confirm the next block is correlated directly to how many tokens they have staked, which by nature is going to make proof-of-stake blockchains a lot more centralized, because the rich are only going to get richer and have more control. MultiversX runs on secure proof-of-stake, which randomly selects a set of validators to form a consensus group, and then a random validator is selected to be the block producer. And all of that is done in a very short time period, which makes it much harder to hack, and it's also a lot more decentralized. Now, when you look at MultiversX's website, scale across the multiverse, build new apps, new economies, new worlds. They have 329 million total transactions and 3,200 validator nodes. That is a lot of validator nodes. I believe it might be second among all cryptocurrencies behind only Ethereum. Solana has a lot as well, and it's about 3,000. If I'm wrong, feel free to let me know down in the comments. MultiversX is also fully carbon neutral, which, as you guys know, Bitcoin gets scrutinized all the time for being harmful to the environment. MultiversX will not have that problem. Also, in my last MultiversX video, I talked about the Hypergrowth Foundation. So one of my biggest complaints of MultiversX is that I didn't think they marketed enough compared to other layer ones around the crypto space. However, Hypergrowth basically rewarded the MultiversX community with EGLD if they did well promoting MultiversX. Back when they were Elrond, they were ranked to be in the top 5 communities among all cryptocurrencies. But if you guys are looking to invest in EGLD, do a little more research into their website. There's a lot of good information here. Now, when you look at MultiversX's Twitter, they have 567,000 followers, and they are posting quite literally every single day, several times a day. They are keeping their community up to date, which comes back to what I was saying about Beniamin Mincu. I think he's a fantastic leader for the project, and then the team around MultiversX is phenomenal. Yes, I understand a lot of people don't like the name change, and if you don't want to invest for that reason, I understand. But from what I have seen, they are networking and constantly improving their ecosystem. They also do weekly updates with a lot of good information. Now, as for how high I think EGLD could go next bull run, when you look at XRP, it's currently sitting at a price point of 25.5 billion. As we discussed, EGLD right now is just under 1 billion, and last bull run reached about 12 billion. And now, if you go to market cap of and you put EGLD in and you put XRP in, theoretically, if EGLD were to reach the market cap of XRP right now, it'd be sitting at a price point of $997, which would be about a 27.7x. I think that's absolutely possible. As we said, EGLD reached an all-time high of $542. That's not even a 2x from its all-time high. A lot of people are going to come at me saying I'm being way too conservative, and there is certainly a possibility for that. However, the reason I'm being conservative is because there truly is a lot more layer 1 competition these days. Hedera Hashgraph, Algorand, Solana, Avalanche, Ethereum, BNB. The competition is never ending. Although with the name change, EGLD could also have a really large spike up if the metaverse starts trending again. But regardless, this price prediction is just my opinion. Please do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now, when you look at EGLD on the weekly time frame, the stochastics were oversold and are now starting to push up, and the RSI is also oversold. Now, if you look at price action, it swings from a higher low to a lower low. The RSI swings from a lower low to a higher low. That is a reversal Class A bullish divergence, which traditionally signifies a bottom. Now, in my last EGLD video, I had drawn it in a falling wedge, which falling wedges break up 68% of the time, and the measured move would take you to about $55. However, since then, it broke down out of the falling wedge, but has recently broken right back into it. So the argument for it being in a falling wedge is still there. It's a little bit uglier than it was, but it definitely could still break out. But the reality is EGLD has gotten absolutely crushed this bear market. If you guys believe in EGLD, it might not be a bad time for you to start dollar cost averaging in. It is pretty much at the bottom of its barrel. It has had lower low after lower low after lower low. But keep in mind, pretty much all cryptos right now are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, there's a good chance most will pump. If Bitcoin dumps, there's a good chance most will dump. And to that point, I want to show you guys Bitcoin's weekly time frame. As I've said in my last several videos, I am a big time stochastic trader, and I love the fact that Bitcoin has already ran up above $30,000 and the stochastics are not oversold yet. They still have plenty of room to come back up. That being said, I would not be shocked at all if Bitcoin makes its way up into that $36,000, $37,000 region. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed. If bad news comes out, Bitcoin could crash back down to 15K. But personally, I believe the crypto market looks pretty good right now, at least on the weekly time frames. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about EGLD? And where do you think the crypto market's headed within the next few weeks? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.
I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand, and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome.